Just give me a few minutes and I'm going to tell you the answer to this question. Can an engine rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise? This is a very important question that many people are really asking. Is it possible for an engine to rotate this side and the same engine to rotate the other side? In many cases, it is almost impossible. Most engine are designed to rotate either clockwise or counterclockwise. But in this video, I'm going to tell you now that some engines have the capacity to rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise. That is the simple truth. Yes, and for you to know this, for example, look at locomotive engine. Do you notice that locomotive engine, that is train, they don't have to make U-turn? How they were able, that means they can go both front and back. How? Because of the way the engine was designed. The engine was designed with the ability to go the two sides. The engine can rotate clockwise and can still rotate counterclockwise. That is why you see that locomotive can go either way. So the answer is yes. Some engine has the ability to rotate front and back. Another example is marine engine. So most marine engine also have this ability too. They can go forward and backward. They have the ability to rotate clockwise and also to rotate counterclockwise. This engine are specially built for this nature. But in most cases, if you check your automotive motor, it's usually rotate in a specific direction. If your car is a clockwise engine, you are going to see that that is how it will rotate. And when you are changing some component in your engine, such as your starter, your starter motor, you need to ensure that you buy a starter motor that is clockwise because your engine is clockwise. However, we still have some automotive too. We have some car that rotate counterclockwise, although these are old cars. But in diesel engine, we still have some modern diesel engine that rotate on counterclockwise. Yeah, we still have some caterpillar that rotate counterclockwise. So the answer is yes. Can an engine rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise? Yes is the answer. So depending on the manufacturer design, so manufacturer design their engine for a specific reason to rotate on the both sides so that the engine can function in so many industry. For example, in marine industry and also in locomotive industry. These are those areas where I've seen engine rotating on both sides. But if you have also see engine that rotate on both sides, apart from locomotive or on the marine industry, you can also tell me in the comment section so that I will add to my knowledge if an engine can rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise. But I've seen it on these two industries, locomotive industry and also in marine industry. So these engines have the ability to rotate front and back. But if the manufacturer does not design the engine to rotate in such direction, if you try to do that, it's going to cause a lot of damage to the engine. You can have some engine will not even start at all because the firing, or you have altered the firing order. For that reason, it will not work. And when it tries to start, it could bend the push rod or cause other damages to the engine. So that is why you need to know the direction of your engine, especially when you are replacing some certain component. For example, your drivetrain, which include your transmission. Is very important for you to know the rotation of your engine before you change such a component, so that it will not cause damage to your engine or to the component you are replacing. Or some can even make your engine not to function very well. For example, your water pump. If you change wrong water pump, if you change wrong water pump, the wrong direction of your water pump, it could prevent the engine from having good cooling system. So these are the things you need to know. But the answer to the question is yeah, there are certain engines that can work on both sides, both clockwise and counterclockwise. If you gain anything from this video, then tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more tips like this. See you in another video.